is the bug. He's alive. See, wait. iPad zoom is crazy. This. He's alive. Okay, so. Okay, I'm gonna find. Wait, actually, you're coming with me. So. I'm so stupid. I don't know what to use actually. I'm gonna find like a stick or something. Cause yeah. I can use this probably. This little like piece of bark. I don't know. I think that's what it's called. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Little bro. Flip around, flip around. I'm not giving you belly wraps. Flip around.
Anything that I'm using right now, I want this stuff to be protected because if it rains and it gets mildewy or musty or something happens, this will not.
I think it needs nutrients. Okay, I'm gonna give it some of my Starbucks. I already drank all of it. It's okay. I'm gonna give it a tapioca there. Okay, I'm picking it up with my straw. I don't think I'm doing anything. Did I just kill him with sugar? Did I give him diabetes? Help. I gave the bug diabetes. What do I do?